We will now be learning how to put together our flute. The first thing you're going to want to do is take your case and put it on a flat surface, either the floor, a table, or a chair. Next, we're going to want to lay down the case and open the latches up. There aren't too many parts on the flute, but we need to make sure everything is lined up in order for it to play correctly. We'll first take our head joint and the body of the flute. We're going to put these together. You're going to want to make sure that the embouchure hole, the hole that you blow into, is going to be lined up with the center of the keys. And as you can see, I'm compressing the keys and I'm gently twisting the two pieces together. They should never be pushed together, or nothing should ever be forceful, because you don't want to bend the keys. And you can see that my embouchure hole is lined up with that first section of my keys. Next, I'm going to be taking the foot joint, and I'm going to be doing the same thing, gently twisting together. And many of you might think that you're going to want to line up the keys, but what you're actually going to want to do is line up the rod with the center of the keys to make sure that the flute is aligned. You'll compress the keys with your hand, gently twisting, making sure it cuts through.